Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota here. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. This is a gorgeous boat set up in metallic Sea Ray blue. Absolutely stunning. Coming around the back side of this boat, this is equipped with the submersible swim platform, Bravo 3 drive, trim tabs, underwater lighting. Really nice setup on the boat. Stepping on from the back, you've got a nice side walk-through, dune interior, sport tower with bimini top, seating that adjusts to fit all of your company, nice size head on the port side. Coming up through the bow, ample amount of room, sporting a nice windlass anchor in the front. This is Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come on in and check out this beautiful 250 SLX Sea Ray.